So here we get this sample from Modvel to test for the knee braces for knee pain. And it can be used by both women and men. It's a two-pack knee braces for a knee pain set. So it's a knee, or I will say it's a compression sleeve for the knees, and it supports the knee, so you will not have like the pain sometimes that you feel. So it's basically a compression sleeve. So this, you can see a stretchable and flexible thing here that can hold on your knee, and a flexible material here. So this is a nice material for the sleeve, a breathable fabric. So let's try this and see like how this will fit on the knee, and the comfortability and everything. So I will test it, and you can also see it in the video. So I'm just putting it on my knee. So it's easy to slip on the knee or the legs, and you can see that it's compressing from both sides. On the knee there is a little fabric here, so that's help in bending this knee. It's a flexible fabric but holds well on the both sides of the knee, as you can see it here. And the top is this elastic thing, so that is really nice to hold. So then the bending, there is no issue. So I just put in the both knee sleeves just to see. So while working and the bending of the knee, I don't feel any issue. The flexible fabric, and then it's a very comfortable with the moisture is also like the waking one. You can clean these sleeves, so whenever you feel there is sweat or something. And then while the bending and things, I don't feel any issue with these sleeves. So here you can also see while bending from the back and the front, like I don't have any issues with these sleeves.